Popular Nigerian gospel singer Nathaniel Bassey has sent a strong message to ladies' caution on him. He made the statement during the grand finale of Hallelujah Challenge, a powerful worship event that lasted for several days. During his performance, Bassey told Christian sisters who admire him to stop wasting their time. He made it clear that he has no plans to marry another woman apart from his wife. He even joked that he had already bought walking sticks for himself and his wife so they could grow old together. Many fans were touched by his words and praised him for his love and commitment to his wife. Some Nigerians reacted online, with many saying they admired how he openly expressed his love for his family. In the same video, the Ebenezer crew now explained why his wife was not present at the event. He revealed that she was in South Africa enjoying his money and assured everyone that no one could take her place. He also mentioned his two children and gave a shout out to them, asking fans to celebrate them. Nathaniel Bassey's strong stand on love and faithfulness has inspired many, reminding people of the importance of family values and commitment. Many people took to social media to share their thoughts. Some praised him for being a faithful husband, while others prayed to have a loving and committed partner like him. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.